If you're wondering how you can turn on or off contact key verification on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on your profile icon. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of contact key verification. Just tap on it, then tap on Update Apple Account Settings. Tap on Continue. Now, if your iPhone asks you to create a passcode for your iPhone, just create a passcode which must consist of at least 6 digits for your iPhone. Then select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. And after you do that, the contact key verification toggle will appear on the screen. Now, if you want to turn on contact key verification, just enable this toggle. Then select Continue. And after you do that, you will enable contact key verification on your iPhone. And if you want to turn off contact key verification, just disable this toggle. Select Turn Off, and by doing that, you will turn off contact key verification on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn on or off contact key verification on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.